Hey everybody, today's project is going to be working on this finish mower deck. Last time I was mowing, the belt, I believe, came off of the pulleys because of quick cutting, saw a little bit of smoke. So I think it probably just jumped off one of the pulleys. Hopefully it didn't break completely. I've replaced this belt before, it's been a few months, but I find that when I am mowing in too high a grass and going a little bit too fast, the belt tends to jump. So I'm assuming that's what happened here. And while I have this cover off and I'm fixing the belt, I'm just going to go ahead and finish painting this. I've got some yellow paint. We'll get this power washed and got yellow paint slapped on there. And then I've got to fix a chain because it's been broken for a couple months as well. So let's get started. Where you going? Pretty neat. Don't want to run him over. Reason it's not lifting the back end up is because that chain's broken right here. Get a new one put on there. Get that drug over and hosed off. I hate this power washer, by the way. I want to get this plate off of here. I actually fabricated this before I started using the mower deck this season. This was open. It's kind of a bad design. This whole front's open, and what happens is grass gets up in there, in the belt, in the pulleys, and it makes the belt want to jump. So I put this cover on there, and it worked well for a long time, and it still works well. It's just I have a tendency of letting the grass get too high in my field before I mow it, and that causes other issues. Put those bolts back in the hole so I don't lose them. I think my worst fear is true. I think the belt actually tried to break when I can see on the other side. Yeah, look at that. That's not good. So we're gonna have to replace that. I'll cut that off and just pull it out of there so I don't have to unbolt everything. Take this with me to the store. Hopefully they've got one in stock. I have this new spray gun I want to use on this mower deck project. It's kind of a cheap version I got from Lowe's. It's Cobalt brand, but I got it on clearance for a really good deal. I think I paid like 20 bucks for it. So even if it sucks, it's probably still worth it. I just need to get it plumbed up though. Get the right adapter on there so I can hook it into my air supply. I want to take this PTO shaft and knuckle off of here before I paint it. Alright, I've got some Cub Cadet yellow. That's what we're going to use for that King Coater mower deck. Not the exact match, but it's going to be yellow and it's going to be close enough for me. Alright, that paint is very thick, so I'm going to cut it down a little bit with some paint thinner. It looks like nacho cheese, but I have a feeling it doesn't taste anything like that. Alright, we're doing this with no instructions. Let's see how we do. Pour our country crock in. Alright, I can't figure that sprayer out and I don't have patience. We're going to the old-fashioned All right, so our new belt came in. We had to order it online because it was half the price as it was in store. I'm going to show you how to get this on here real quick. There's the diagram. I drew it on the bottom with a Sharpie. It's on the inner side of the belt cover. So we'll use that to get this belt back on where it needs to go. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and grease the spindles while I have this open. I don't have the carabiner that I need to attach those chains, so we're going to improvise until I can get to the hardware store again. I've just got a bolt, thread it through both sides. This will be good enough to mow with. I'm not going to keep it on here very long, but this will get me through the next mowing session. Easy as that. Almost forgot to put my homemade front cover back on. Off here all over my stuff. Taking me off. Well, I'm happy with how that's mowing. Definitely helps to have a new belt on there, one that's not smoking every time I hit some thick grass. So we're going to call that a wrap. I want to get this washed off real quick, and then we'll move on to the next project. Thanks for watching.